Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced InVideo AI features and get more control over your AI video creation workflow. First, open InVideo AI and start a new project or open an existing video. Before using advanced options, make sure your basic script and scene structure are already organized. Start by reviewing the AI-generated script. You can
Outfit
refine
for
the
so
wording,
long. I
remove
mean, look at it.
unnecessary information,
It's
and
giving
add
chic
specific
yet
instructions to make the narration more accurate and engaging. Next, work on your scenes. Add, remove, rearrange, or customize scenes depending on the story and structure of your video. You can also change the visuals in individual scenes. Replace images or video clips when they don't match the narration, and choose media that better supports your message. Now review the AI voiceover. Choose a suitable
It's
voice
giving
and adjust the
chic
narration
yet
by
effortless.
improving the
I'm
script,
obsessed.
punctuation, and wording when
This is
necessary.
definitely
You can
going to
also
be
customize
my
subtitles
summer
and
outfit.
on-screen text.
Save this
Keep
for your
important
next.
information clear and make sure the text is easy to read. Next, work with background music and audio. Choose music that matches the mood of your video and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. For more advanced projects, pay attention to the overall scene structure.